To crop image or video in the first layer, select video and simply bring mouse cursor over any handle of video in preview and move its outside borders to scale or zoom it. The video will be automatically cropped. However, to crop any image or video in upper layers, just click the layer and select crop tool. Media will open in new window. Bring the mouse cursor on the corner. When the cursor becomes double arrow, click and hold and then drag it to resize it. Now release the mouse click and cursor will adopt the shape of 4 arrows. Now click on highlighted part and move it to select only the wanted portion of photo or video. Here you can select the aspect ratio of the media. Now click apply to save changes. Resize the video. Let's play it. To remove empty space on both sides, open the crop tool again and select either 1:1 ratio or select custom. Adjust size and apply. Here you can apply mask to this video for a fine crop. To crop this image layer, let me quickly repeat the process. Adjust size and apply. Next, I will demonstrate to crop multiple clips at once. I will crop and zoom out these 3 video clips all together. Click on Effects and search for the crop effect. Now drag it in timeline and set its duration to match with the multiple clips you want to crop. Click on the crop effect and on the right side editing panel, set the crop values for left, right, top and bottom. All clips will get cropped. To fit the size of clips, turn on the toggle next to auto zoom. You can crop it again if you are not happy. To cut or remove unwanted parts, select the image, audio or video clip in timeline. Drag the playhead over position where you want the video to be split. Now click the split button on playhead to cut the video clip. Thanks for liking this video. Watch more Filmora tutorials.